Hi folks, it's Rye Guy here. Today we're going to do a little video on the engcon system on a Kubota excavator. For any reason you're interested and have more questions, please contact my salesman Matt out of our Rentham store. No word of a lie, he's the best. And he buys me sandwiches when I do good. Have a great day.
So when you first start it up, when you unlock the top part, you push this button, put a little bit of down pressure, then hold them both, and it's going to take a while for it to unlock. Because only the accumulator unlocks it. You can stroke the pump at the same time, curl all the way in, and hold those two buttons, and it'll go a little faster.
Ready? So just for the few important people out there, this might be important too. Let's give it a whack. If I can do it, anyone can do it. That's the way I look at it. Ooh, you got that hooked up. Alrighty, start the machine, put the lever down. Of course you like being in this god-awful cat position. This is so difficult for me to run. I can't do it. I have to start over. I can't do it, I have to start over. Sorry. Fortunately on this machine, they hide it. I don't know if you knew it was right here. I'm sure you did. But I cannot run B position. That's what you get for being a Kubota hippie. Oh yeah. I can do that a little better. Alright, so just turn it on like you would the thumb. Boom. And this thing should work?
Yep.
I could change the picture so it doesn't look like the hammer. I can make it so it's just, you know, auxiliary. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Alright, so that rotator does that one. That one does that one. Ooh, 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 ooh. You know how it is, you get nervous running this shit. You get the Grandmaster right next to you.
Grandmaster and nothing.
It's fine, man. It's, Alright, so if you want to do the regular tilt rotator, just to take the bucket off, we'd use this one.
Yep.
So now I'm just going to hit this button once, right?
Yep.
Now it needs down pressure.
Yep. That's it.
Then we hold these, lift it back up.
No, you can if you want.
Just so now I just hold these both.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah.
And now we can just basically, with the Kubotas, usually I just try to keep about 1 inch off the ground.
Yeah.
And it usually works out pretty well. That's it. And then we just hook back up again. Try to go nice and easy. I have to go over a little bit. I gotta go over a little bit. I gotta go over a little bit. There we go. Oh, oh, oh.
Just tilt it.
Tilt it.
Yeah. Your right thumb roll it.
So really, you just gotta those very ends. You just gotta grab it.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to be too aggressive.
Little hook at the
Those little hooks, kind of. That's it. And if this thing's not on right, it won't lock on to mess anything up, right? It has to be on perfect. And now we just, what, hold the two lock ones together?
Yep.
Boom. Why is it still beeping? Does it beeps for a couple seconds afterwards?
To let you know that it was locked.
Okay, good. And then that's it. And that's it. So this one does the rotating. Oh, which one does the pinchy?
Left index finger.
Left index finger, look at that. awesome is that? So I saw you, when you took the whole thing off, you just had that grab, that open, so it was like a kickstand. I saw that. So I can try that?
Yeah, if you want.
Well, I might as well.
You gotta turn it around the other way.
We gotta turn around the other way. So that'd be this thumb right here. Whoa, my bad. Sorry, you must want to punch me.
So make sure it's straight with it. Now just...
Is that straight enough?
Curl it all the way in.
Curl it all the way in?
Yeah. Now stick it all the way out. Dipper.
Put, oh, the dipper all the way
Out.
out?
Right, now come down.
We don't have to be so high off the ground.
Right.
Okay, good. How's that?
Keep going down. Now curl the bucket out a little bit. Right there. Now push the first button. Now put down pressure.
Should I get the bucket flatted out? No.
No, right there.
That's
now
it?
Hold them both.
Hold them both?
Yeah.
Unlock?
You have to keep holding them. Keep going. It's going to be a lot slower than the...
Is there something that shows you it's ready?
See that orange tab coming out?
Oh, up top.
Yeah.
Yeah, way up there by the stick.
Yep.
There we go.
Now you should be able to start curling out of it.
You think we're ready?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, let me get a little. Well, wasn't horrible, right? For my first time, I'll have to get a little closer. All right, now we're gonna go back in and quit this beeping off. And basically the quick culprit is just like the other one. It has like hooks that kind of stick out. Oh my God. Usually I like to have the bucket a little closer when I'm trying to do this.
Well,
I can't.
You don't want to have it close with this. It's easier to do it further away.
I think
Because of the EC oil block.
once you get comfortable.
Swing to your right. Right. Swing to your right a little bit more.
Oh, there we go.
Throw right in all the way until it picks the bucket up.
All right. Oh.
Now pick up. Pick up, pick up, pick up. Remember, you got that kickstand. You got to screw the concrete up.
Oh.
Now hold both locks.
Hold both locked. Oof. I'll tell you what, it is so cool. It really is. I could totally see someone who's really good at using one of these having some fun. Oh yeah, rev this baby up a little. All right. Yep. And I'm sure once you're like playing in the dirt, it probably doesn't seem so bad.
Yeah, we got the concrete floor. It's a lot harder.
Yep. Awesome. Well, I thank you very much for the lesson. And hopefully the little chute came out all right. And so I got a little footage with my phone, a little with the GoPro, some live action. Best we can do. Like 10 minutes. That is just so cool. And what would these two be if they get the broom?
No. So, if any other hydraulic function that you want to put on the bottom of the tilt rotator,
Yep.
would use those.
But the grapple will hook right up and just start working.
Right. Anything that doesn't have EC oil would plug in there.
Anything that does not have EC oil, you just have to plug into there. Awesome. And that right there is just a little dust cap for the EC oiler. If you take the tilt rotator off. Just stuck up there magnetically.
You can put it on the bottom of the tilt rotator.
No, it looks good there. What if we just video your hands, keep your face out of it? Oh, you just took the whole thing off. Is that thing gonna go flying backwards? No shit. I get it.
We're gonna have that for the 206. Matt's already got one on order for.
What's a 206?
It's a 209. Matt's got one on order for a.
There's a whole other system over there.
There's an old style.
Yeah.
Which is you have to can't do this. But the new style you can. So like this one has the rotation sensor for GPS.
Yeah.
This one has the ability to do the tilt sensor, and this one has full ECOL. The new rotator will have full ECOL, tilt and rotation sensor.
No shit. So when you grab it by the hook, those pins are out there until that thing is lined up and that thing locks in. It comes in straight. Wow. It is really just the coolest piece of equipment. You don't mind? Wait, what was that? When that yellow thing comes out, so now you can only hook up nice and straight, and then that ECU oil goes right in there. No getting out, hooking up hoses or nothing. Yeah, I thought he was gonna hook it up. What's this one?
This is an SG12.
SG12.
Yep.
I mean, this thing is like massive.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely massive.
I think I'll handle it like nothing.
Well,
Here.
I saw that on the.
What did you run? Yeah, take it
Oh,
off the
because
rotator.
the tilt rotator has the ECU oiler.
Yep. What? Oh, Big Bucket's not here yet. Big Bucket's not here yet.
I think it's 60-inch grading bucket.
51.
51-inch.
Yep.
Awesome.
Big Bucket's 28.
51.
So these things are just in order as they are in real life. This is for the quick coupler,
Yep.
and this is for the tilt rotator.
Yep.
Awesome.
You got one on the shelf and one more on the way.
So cool. So we have a roller on the top and 2 rollers underneath.
Yeah, but they don't do anything. The bottom ones don't do anything.
All right.
That's for track control, if I had track control.
Well, you can always add it later, right?
Yeah, I think this one might be getting it later. We originally quoted it.